If you're asked to install a fan in an asbestos cement ceiling, consider it an opportunity to get rid of the AC altogether. If the sheet can easily be removed and replaced with a non-asbestos equivalent material, do this to reduce the contamination risk. If there is no alternative and the fan must be installed into an asbestos cement sheet, this is one procedure you could follow. Whenever you undertake electrical works, a licensed electrician must be engaged to undertake all electrical works. Drilling asbestos cement sheeting can release asbestos fibres into the atmosphere, so precautions must be taken to protect the drill operator and other persons from exposure to these fibres. A hand drill is preferred to a battery-powered drill because the quantity of fibres is drastically reduced if the hand drill is used. If a battery-powered drill is to be used, it must be on low speed and should be fitted with a local exhaust ventilation system. To prepare the work site, avoid having unprotected people in the same area. Restrict access by closing doors and windows to the work area and using signs and barrier tape. Protect all areas in the restricted area from contamination by placing a polythene drop sheet on the floor and taping it down to prevent movement. If work is to be carried out at height, appropriate precautions must be taken to prevent the risk of falls. And make sure you have adequate lighting and all necessary equipment before you start. Once you're ready to start work, you and anyone else in the restricted area should put on PPE, as outlined in the PPE section of this DVD. The selection and use of personal protective equipment, PPE, should always be based on a risk assessment as determined by a competent person. Measure the size of the hole required for the fan and mark it. Drill a hole through the bottom of a plastic cup. Fill the cup with shaving cream, gel or a similar thickened substance. Put the drill bit through the hole in the cup so the cup encloses the drill bit, and make sure the drill bit extends beyond the lip of the cup. And follow the technique outlined in the safe work procedure for drilling asbestos walls and ceilings. When you've drilled enough holes, carefully wipe away the shaving cream or gel and any debris and dispose of the wipes, rags and attached debris in a waste bag. You should then be able to gently remove the centrepiece and discard it into a waste bag. Then, using a HEPA filter vacuum, clean up any dust or debris left in the ceiling space around the edges of the fan hole. Seal the exposed edges of the hole with an appropriate sealant. And with the fan installation complete, decontaminate the work area as outlined in the decontamination section of this DVD. Visually inspect the asbestos work area to make sure that it's been cleaned properly. Transport and dispose of waste according to storage, transport and disposal safe work procedure.